you know how this microwave actually works?
No, just let me cook my beet. I don't even know who you are.
I'm Percy L. Spencer, and I am the founder of the microwave.
They named you Percy? How'd they come up with that name?
It's a boy.
What should we name him?
How about Percy?
Percy. That's perfect.
I guess it was just a name they fixed for me. I like it.
So what is a microwave?
A microwave is just a radio wave, and this is what it looks like.
So how's a radio gonna cook my beet?
Not radio, radio waves. And the radio waves I'm talking about are microwaves. And the microwaves cook the food.
Still didn't answer my question. How are we gonna cook this beet?
The water, sugar, and fat molecules inside this beet absorb the microwaves, causing them to vibrate and rub together really fast, creating heat.
It's like when you rub your hands together?
Exactly. Does that answer your question?
I guess so. But when I cook with a plate, why doesn't that get hot?
The reason why your plate doesn't get hot in the microwave is because microwaves tend to pass through most glass and plastics. If you leave it in too long, it will heat up your plate or even melt your plastic container.
Oh, so that's why my plate doesn't get hot all the time. But I still don't get the full concept of the microwave.
That's exactly why I'm here. I recently typed this up for situations like this. Here, read this tonight, and we'll talk about it tomorrow. Did you read those papers last night like I told you to?
Yes, I did, and I sure learned a lot about this microwave.
Good, that's good. Now, explain this diagram.
Alright, so the microwave starts from an electrical outlet, where the power cord is connected to the outlet, so the electricity travels through the cord and up into the magnetron. The magnetron creates the microwaves, which is sent through the waveguide into the stirrer. The stirrer is what distributes the microwaves into the cooking cavity. The walls of the cooking cavity are made of metal, and microwaves do not pass through metal, so they just bounce all over the cavity until it hits the food, which absorbs it. The water, fat, and sugar molecules inside the food absorb the microwaves and vibrate and rub super fast, creating heat. The turntable also helps distribute the microwaves to help cook the food evenly. And that's how a microwave works.
Very good.
So how'd you come up with such a great idea?
I was working in my lab with the magnetron, and the magnetron was giving off microwaves, but I didn't know that. And I had a chocolate bar in my pocket, and the microwaves were going all over the room, and it melted my chocolate bar. So then I ran and got some popcorn and put it next to the magnetron, and started popping all over the room. And that's how I got the idea.
That's just genius. Did you change something?
Yes, I did. I forgot to wax my eyebrows this morning. My glasses broke. And I shaved off my mustache.
Thank you so much for teaching me about this microwave. Now I know it actually cooks my beet. So I think I will.
That's the spirit.
Microwaves are a staple in our kitchens. They are advancing to become more convenient every day. We love microwaves. That would be stupid, you know, be like...
Yeah, just kind of like stuff in there. I don't know.
Dude, we gotta practice.
Wait,
Whoa!
how would you hold it like this isn't joking at all? And then put the light to my hand down.
Well, how about another one about the butt?
No, how just don't move at all. So like this. Cause then
Oh,
I
and then you freeze it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's ultra. I think it's so cold.
Rolling. Wait, here.
Go!
Do you know how this microwave actually works? Oh!
Quit laughing!
That's just genius.
No, you're supposed to say, you look different.
I was working on it!
A microwave uses microwave to cook the whole entire food at the same exact time. Kind of. And then...
What? You can't say kind of! I forgot.
Probably not very good for the microwave.
Probably not.